And we're back.
We're back. Sorry, I had to put the antenna back into my computer. There we go. Okay,
All right.
so my question was, did price hit 382?
Did price two?
Did price hit the 382?
Um, yeah, minimum, yeah.
Yeah, it did. Has
Yeah.
price broken structure?
Um, One sec. Yes, we have a higher low.
So no, price hasn't broken structure. Price
Ah.
hasn't broken our origin, right? We're still trade. This is still moving within this zone. Does that make sense?
Okay, we don't have a higher high.
No. So that means this is still valid. We can still mark this up. So that means we have
Ah, okay, yeah.
two. Our two is up here because that is the high.
Yeah.
So we take our trend-based fib extension. We go 0, 1, 2. So
Mm-hmm.
that means if you were looking to buy Amazon stock, I wouldn't be purchasing until price comes within this area.
Mm-hmm.
And when it hits
Okay.
up my purple zone, that's when I would take a buy before the
Mm-hmm.
next increase up. Nice and easy.
Mm-hmm.
Are there any particular stocks or anything that you'd like to look at? Oh, Rue was
One sec.
discontinued. Very good.
No, it's not a particular stock actually, no. So any is good. I'm not like purchasing any single stocks at the
You're
moment.
not purchasing anything. Well, let's take a look at what we
Just
can.
ETFs, but they're not in there.
Sure, let's take a look. Let's go on to Trading 212 and see what's around, what's available. Okay, so obviously, actually, let's take a look at the S&P 500.
Mm-hmm.
Where is that? SPX, there we go. So we've actually had, you are here. We've actually had some pretty interesting movement on the S&P 500. Now we know it is designed, it's actually designed to go continually up and up and up. Yes, it
Mm-hmm.
has retracements. Yes, it has pullbacks. Like this was where I entered into the S&P 500.
Oh,
So
great.
yeah, it was really, really great timing. But right
Mm-hmm.
now, we actually can't really see very much of what's going on because we've got this would have been before, this would have been our high, but then price
Mm-hmm.
broke the structure and now we've got this. So really, when we're looking at a new chart, something that looks like this, we can't really do too much with it on a long-term time frame. Let's go down, let's look on the 1 hour. There's something we can do with this, right? This is our
Mm-hmm.
all-time
Yeah.
high. This is
Yeah.
origin, breaking of
One
structure,
at zero.
origin.
Yeah. Yeah. One at the
Lower
bottom.
low, 1.
Then we put the trend-based extension.
We do. Let's just double check for all case and purposes, right? That comes down to our 1. Price hit 786. It definitely hit 382. So lovely. That is valid
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Oh, 12. We have 0, 1, 2. So if I was going to take a short-term entry, if I wanted to do something tomorrow, maybe, if
Yeah.
price came down to this level, I would buy.
Mm-hmm.
That is a strong rejection area for price. So if I was
Mm-hmm.
doing long-term holding, I would take that. If you were then
Mm-hmm.
doing scalping, because you can then use this strategy to then take short-term positions. So you know how we have our DeLoreans?
Mm-hmm.
On the 15 minute, on the 5 minute. So let's say, okay, we're in this area and we're waiting for an opportunity to buy. on a short-term time frame, we can wait for a 5-minute delo. Delo on the 5-minute time frame for a buy, that's a double confirmation.
Oh, okay. If you use both, yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So you can take long-term positions and when you've got weekly markups, you've got these huge purple zones and you're riding it delo, all the way down and all the way back up again. So that is how you can ride at these positions and take multiple plays off of one markup. And you can continue. It's what I call milking the market. Right?
Okay.
So this is what I would do. So what I want you to do now, across your assets that you're looking at and that you like to invest in, I want you to identify some examples of purple zone setups. And even though we've done a lot of buying opportunities in these, you can also do this for sells. It just works exactly the same the other way around. I don't know if we have any.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is NZD CAD. Okay, here is an example. We're in a sell market because we can see the EMAs are doing what they do. Okay, they're going down. Where are we at? Let's take a look. 4 hour. Let's look on the daily. I would like to look at something a little bit shorter. So we're going to look at this. Let's look at immediate. 1 hour. Yeah, let's do 1 hour. So what do we look for first? Breaking of structure. Where is our BAS? Where is the all-time low right now? It is here. This is our BAS. Oops, because it broke this structure. Broke that low. So
so that's the 0.
That becomes origin 0. First move 1. Do we have a valid retracement? We go 0 to 1. Did price hit 382? On the dot.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Bang on the money. There she is. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So we know that we could potentially do something here. This is valid. So we go origin. First move 1. Our 2 is down here. Okay? So we know that if the banks are able to push money up, because we're in a sell market, so this would take a lot of work to push price up to this area. Once price hits this area, sell. And this is a 4x pair, which means you can actually use this. Stop loss, take profit, back down to origin if you can. Beautiful. Back down, ideally, because we're still in a selling market, back down to origin and beyond. But we do like to say minimum 1 to 2.
Okay, back to origin is where you want to go.
In an ideal scenario, if we can get there.
Okay. And then you just watch the trade and you might close it before that.
Yeah, and just let it run. If you can let it run, let it run. And that's got a really nice example actually of a sell purple zone. So if you were like, okay, we know that price, it could come up to this area and do a rejection. So if we know that's setting up, why wouldn't we trade that? We've got all this space potentially to make money. Yes, we're between the EMAs, but is there space to take this trade? Potentially, yeah. Especially if you're on a 5-minute time frame. Look at all that space. So if we had price came above these EMAs and then we had buying delos, look at that, that's a sell delo right there. Boom. If we had buying delos, we can buy this all the way up. Purple zone.
Okay, although there are EMAs in the way.
Well, no, because if the candlesticks move above the EMAs, then the EMAs are underneath. Then it's valid for a buy.
Then you know there's space.
Because this is on the 5-minute time frame.
Okay.
Long-term holding, long-term positions, and you can milk the market on a short-term time frame. Does that make sense?
Yeah, you just do both. Yeah.
I don't want to overcomplicate it though. So what I want you to do, this is your next bit of homework. I want you to find, we're going to do 30. We are going to do 30. But I do want you to find purple zones on things that you enjoy trading. Remember before I was like, stick to Forex, right? Now
Yeah.
I want you to do this on the things that you love trading and that you're actually interested in.
Okay. But on TradingView, I can't see any ETFs. Can I? Oh, no, I can, because we did the S&P 500.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay, good.
You just have
Yeah,
to search
then
the
I've
right,
got a
you have to
few,
look for the right
I
ticker.
can
So if you
look
put it up in the search bar, you will find it.
Yeah. Okay,
And you
nice.
can do most stocks and everything. Okay.
Yeah, I have a few that I could do.
Yeah.
Nice. And can we do a Zoom call at some point where you explain to me how to actually execute a trade? Because I had a look at MetaTrader 5 today and I got a bit
On the app.
on the app, yeah, or on laptop.
No laptop. I'm saying
Okay.
no.
Okay.
Don't do it. First of
Okay.
all, I don't use it, so I can't help you.
Okay.
Because I don't take any trades on there, I take trades on my phone. Because if you get
Yeah.
used to doing something one way, if you're on the bus and you're like, shit, the market's dropping, I forgot to set a stop loss, and you don't know how to do it fast, you know,
Yeah.
be as mobile and as accessible as possible. And I'm going to be strict about it.
Yeah, then on the mobile. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we can do another Zoom call on that if you want one.
Yeah, would be lovely.
Okay.
Because I know now how to identify when to trade.
Yeah. Well,
Just
why
the
don't
actual execution.
I will give you, take the time that you need to do your purple zone homework. Okay.
Yeah.
Put it in. And as soon as you've done it, let's book it. Like we can have one call on Sunday if you wanted.
Yeah,
I
I'm
would
free then.
do your homework first. And when it's done,
Okay.
then be like, okay, let's get a date in. Let's get a time in.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
That sounds like a plan. This has been recorded. So I'm going to take these recordings now and I will upload them onto school. So you've got them. So if you need a refresher,
perfect.
you can always come back. But we can do this as many times as you need. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Thank you.
This is the best. Purple Zones.
Yeah.
Purple Zones has made me more money than anything. Consistently. When it comes to especially stocks. It's phenomenal. Okay. And crypto entry. But that is it for now. Okay. Do you have any questions?
I think I understood the principle.
Yeah.
I just have to like do it, and then I see.
It is designed to be
I
simple.
took some notes, so
we actually have. We didn't get onto sequences, but that is fine. This is what. Just make a note. What you've got here is a 3-leg sequence. You know how we do origin 1, 2, potential 3. That is a 3-leg sequence. We can do this all the way up to 11-leg sequences.
Okay.
So that's what we'll do as you get more advanced. Okay. Perfect. Well done. Good to see ya. And let me know if you have any questions on the school. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
And we'll talk. Let me know when you've done it. Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
I will.
See you later.
See you later. Have a good
Bye.
evening.
You too.
Bye.